Scenic routes and unforgettable destinations for your hybrid camper journey. Embarking on a journey with your hybrid camper allows you to explore the great outdoors and discover breathtaking landscapes along the way. From majestic mountain ranges to serene coastlines, there are countless scenic routes and unforgettable destinations waiting to be explored. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or a road trip lover, here are some incredible routes and destinations to consider for your hybrid camper journey. 1. Pacific Coast Highway, California, USA. Stretching along the stunning California coastline, the Pacific Coast Highway offers awe-inspiring views of the Pacific Ocean, rugged cliffs, and charming coastal towns. Starting from San Francisco and winding its way down to Los Angeles, this iconic route takes you through highlights like Big Sur, Hearst Castle, Santa Barbara, and Malibu. Set up camp at picturesque state parks or private campgrounds and wake up to breathtaking sunrises and the soothing sound of crashing waves. 2. Ring Road, Iceland. Iceland's Ring Road, also known as Route 1, is a dream come true for nature enthusiasts. This 828-mile circular route takes you around the entire island, showcasing dramatic landscapes such as waterfalls, glaciers, geothermal areas, and black sand beaches. Explore the Golden Circle, soak in hot springs, hike to ice caves, and marvel at the northern lights. With numerous campsites and designated parking areas, you can experience Iceland's otherworldly beauty while enjoying the comforts of your hybrid camper. 3. Great Ocean Road, Victoria, Australia. Located along the southeastern coast of Australia, the Great Ocean Road is a mesmerizing drive that showcases the beauty of the country's coastline. Starting from Torquay and ending in Warrnambool, the scenic route spans approximately 151 miles and features iconic landmarks like the 12 Apostles, Lockhart Gorge, and the stunning coastal towns of Lorne and Apollo Bay. Experience breathtaking sunsets, hike through rainforests, and spot koalas and kangaroos along the way. Camp at designated campgrounds and wake up to the sound of crashing waves and the fresh ocean breeze. 4. Romantic Road, Germany. For a journey filled with fairy tale landscapes and historic charm, the Romantic Road in Germany is an ideal choice. This 250-mile route takes you through picturesque Bavarian towns, medieval castles, and enchanting countryside. Start from Würzburg and make your way to Füssen, passing through destinations like Rothenburg ob der Tauber, Nördlingen, and the famous Neuschwanstein Castle. Enjoy traditional German cuisine, explore charming villages, and immerse yourself in the region's rich history. There are numerous campsites and camper stops along the route, allowing you to fully embrace the magical atmosphere. 5. Garden Route, South Africa. Stretching along South Africa's southeastern coast, the Garden Route offers a diverse array of landscapes, wildlife, and outdoor adventures. Starting from Mossel Bay and ending in Storms River, this approximately 186-mile route takes you through lush forests, golden beaches, and vibrant lagoons. Explore the Tsitsikamma National Park, go whale watching in Hermanus, visit ostrich farms in Oudtshoorn, and spot elephants in Addo Elephant National Park. Camp in scenic coastal campgrounds or nature reserves and wake up to the sounds of nature. 6. North Coast 500, Scotland. For a truly epic road trip, embark on the North Coast 500 in Scotland. This 500-mile route takes you through the rugged Scottish Highlands, enchanting castles, and remote coastal villages. Experience the magic of the Loch Ness, explore the dramatic landscapes of the Isle of Skye, and soak in the beauty of the North Coast. Camp at designated sites or find wild camping spots along the way, immersing yourself in Scotland's untouched beauty and rich history. 7. Route 66, USA. No list of scenic routes would be complete without the iconic Route 66. Known as the Mother Road, this historic highway spans across 8 states, from Chicago to Los Angeles. While some sections have been replaced by modern highways, the nostalgia and charm of Route 66 remain intact. Experience classic Americana, roadside attractions, and stunning landscapes. Set up camp at RV parks or campgrounds along the route and immerse yourself in the history and culture of the American Southwest. When embarking on a hybrid camper journey, these scenic routes and unforgettable destinations promise awe-inspiring landscapes, unique experiences, and the freedom to explore at your own pace. So, plan your route, pack your essentials, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime with your hybrid camper. The open road awaits. Camping is our happy place.